Hello, if you're just joining us, this is Maths with Uncle Tony. And in case it's your first time of coming across this video, please do well by liking or subscribing or sharing my video. Thank you. Alright, we are looking at time again, part 4. And in this case, we are looking at how to tell time at different parameters given. Let's look at this one. The first one on the board. We have 12, 6, 3, 9. Then locate the middle. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now I want to say something before we move further. In case you're trying to tell time, or your child is trying to tell time, I just made a partition here. Anytime the minute hand is at my right hand side, that means it cut across from here to this place. You say it is past. The child should mention past. Right hand side, count the number and mention past. This side is called past, while from this side it is called to. Now this will help a child confidently tell a time. Now remember I said from here to this place is called past. Then from this place again it's called to. Okay, let's quickly look at number 1. It says 4:10. That means 10 minutes past 4. Now we have to locate our 10 minutes, which means the minute hand is pointing at 10. Where is 10? From here to here is 5. This is 10. The minute hand is pointing at 2. This is 10 minutes. Remember, why is it past? Because the long hand is pointing this side. That's what makes it past 4. So which means the short hand or the hour hand is pointing at 4. So this is 10 minutes past 4. That is 4 digitally. This is 10 minutes past 4. We say 4:10. So this is another way of telling time. So remember, this side is called past. Now let's look at number 2, which says 3:20. How do we tell a time when it is 3:20? Okay, let's quickly locate our middle. Now 20 is the minutes. So where is my 20? 5, 10, 15, 20. This is the long hand. This is 20 minutes past 3. Where is my 3? Is the short hand, which is the hour hand, is pointing at 3. This is 20 minutes past 3. We call it 3:20. 3:20. Now, there are exceptions. There's a way you can also tell this type of time. Let's do number 3. Number 3 says 6:15. 6:15. How would you pronounce this 6:15? Which means the long hand, this is 5, 10, 15. The long hand, which is the minute hand, is pointing at 3. While the short hand is pointing at 6. This is 6:15. That's 15 minutes past 6, or quarter. Or we say quarter past 6. Quarter past 6. All these are part of past. All these are past. 10 minutes past 4, 20 minutes past 3, 15 minutes past 6, or quarter past 6. This is another way of telling the time. Now, let's change the other side. Let's look at the other side. We have 6:50. We have 6:50. 6:50. Now, digitally we see a time 6:50. But 6:50 doesn't actually, is not make sense. But let me teach you how to tell the time in this format. Remember, this is 50, which means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. This is my 50. 50. Now, 6:50, which means it has passed 6, almost close to 7. The hour hand is. But how do you tell time? 6:50. 6:50, 50 is bigger number. Now, how do you tell the time now? It's preferably, you say, now, you count from 12 in opposite direction. This is 5, this is 10. This is 10 minutes. 10 minutes to, because the long hand is pointing this side. I told you that long hand, whenever it's pointing this side, is called to. Here it is past. 10 minutes to 7. 10 minutes to 7. 10 minutes to 7. The next one we are going to look at is 7:35. 7:35. Now in 7:35, we count. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This is 35. Long hand, which is the minute hand, is pointing at 7. While the short hand is also pointing close to 8. So how do you tell time now? It's better you count from here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It is 25 minutes to 8. 25 minutes to 8. Because once the long hand is towards this side, you count from here towards the long hand side. Now the last but not the least is 8:45. 8:45. 8:45. Now quickly, the long hand, you count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. The long hand. The long hand is pointing at 9. Then the short hand, it has passed 8 more. It's almost towards 9. How do you tell the time? You count again. 5, 10, 15. You now say 15 minutes. 15 minutes to 9. 15 minutes to 9. Or quarter to 9. This is another way, just like when you have quarter to 3 or quarter past 3, the one we did, okay, quarter past 6, the one we drew earlier. So whenever the long hand is pointing at 9, it's quarter to that number. Whenever the long hand is pointing at 3, it's quarter past. Invariably, if the long hand or the minute hand is at the right hand side, it is past. If the long hand is at the left hand side, it is to. Just always count from 12 to that number. And that's easier way a child can tell the time. Thank you very much. And in case you find this video very interesting, please put a comment in our comment section. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye-bye.